Veteran Zimbabwean reporter Blessed Mhlanga set the Geneva summit ablaze this week, accusing the Zimbabwean government of deploying sophisticated repression to crush dissent and tighten its grip on power. Zarapita mashoko buda panguva ino tiona kuti panguva ino Blessed Mhlanga anozikanwa kunzi journalist ouya achiexposa zvinoitwa the ruling party ZANU-PF, his experience yerepression yaakasangana nayo panauya bombshell Geza soon after comrade bombshell Geza's death. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipida munao yetera panguva ino mbotuta mudanyira chiti Geneva Showdown, Zimbabwe journalist blast leg outera by Harare regime. In a dramatic address, Mhlanga reviewed he spent 75 days behind bars in 2025 over a speech he insists he neither wrote nor delivered. He branded his ordeal lawfare repression through the courts instead of bullets, claiming prosecutors twisted evidence and they repeatedly denied him bail in defiance of the Constitution. Though now free, he says, punishing bail conditions have drained him financially and left him effectively muzzled. Even more chilling, he alleged authorities target journalists' families to silence criticism. Rejecting claims of reform, Mhlanga warned Zimbabwe is sliding deeper into authoritarianism, pointing to proposed constitutional changes extending presidential power. Opposition spreads like a virus, he declared, urging the UN, US, UK, and EU to act before it's too late. Ndomashikwana panguva ino yachonokonzi Mhlanga ari kukola up for unions kuti ngaapindire pachaos iri kuitika munyika yeZimbabwe, achiexposa his experience paanouya panguva inoyi achionekwa kunzi aideniwa bail for 75 days aiwa ari muusungwa kunyange zvake akanga asina mhosva yange apara. Vena kumasection medu dzofungura aimoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.